वेलकम टू आवर चैनल इंग्लिश फिटनेस सर। गाइस, आज जो हम लोग का क्लास है वही स्टडी क्लासेस है। फॉर दैट क्लास आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल ऑन द स्टेज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट and most talented students of Elite English spoken classes, Mr. Sahid Anwar.
May praise be to Allah, Creator of the world, and peace and blessings be upon His Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Respected teachers and my dear friends, lot of thanks to all of you. Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to share my opinion, life and success. My dear friends, don't die before your death. We all die. We live this one routine of a day for 75 years. And we call it life. No, that's not life. If you are still thinking why you have been sent here, if you are still juggling with the concept why you are here, you have not lived here. You work hard and make money. You do it for yourself. That's not life. You go out and you seek for people who need your help. You make their life better. You become the sponge which can absorb all the negativity. You become the person who can emit beautiful, positive vibes. And when you realize the importance of our life, and you become the realize that you have changed someone's life, and become of you, this person did not give up. This is the day when you live. My dear friends, live your life fully. Accept yourself in the way you are. Be kind yourself. Be kind yourself. I will repeat, be kind yourself. And only then you can be kind to others. And only then you can be kind to others. Love yourself. That spread love. My dear friends, life will be hard. Life will be tried. And that will only make you stronger. Never give up. I will repeat, never give up. For hour and again in your life. And that's how to say that how to succeed. My dear friends, let's talk about success. What is success? When I go to different universities, different places, and I meet different students, this is the first question that I ask. What is secret of success to you? And many of them say, we want to become famous. We want to become rich, and we are famous and rich. We will be successful. But there are very few who say that we will be able to pay back to the society. We will think that we are successful, and that is real success. When you work hard, fame and money, the both are byproducts. I have seen people saying that, oh, this good person, good lucky. That is why this person is rich and this person is famous. Always remember, the harder you work, the good, the lucky you get. There is no shortcut, but keep focusing on the fact that success doesn't lie in money, material, fame and money. This cannot make you happy. My dear friends, real success is when you are able to change someone's life, and when you look back at your and you see that I tried my best to give my best to the people around me, that defines your success, because that is true success. My dear friends, always remember one thing on the road to success. There is always we not me. Do not think that you alone can achieve thing, no. There is always another person who is standing behind you. Maybe not coming on the forefront, but behind you, praying for you, but supporting you. Never lose that person. Never. That's all.
मेरा ये क्लास आपको अच्छा लगा तो आप वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कर दीजिए और हाँ चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।